let Isabella bring a torch to the cradle run. It is Jesus, good folk of the village, Christ is born, and Mary's calling on. Ah, beautiful is the mother. Ah, beautiful is her son. It is wrong when the child is sleeping. It is wrong to talk so loud. Silence all as you gather around them, lest your noise should waken Jesus. Hush, hush, see how fast he slumbers. Hush, hush, see how fast he sleeps. Softly to the little stable, softly for the moment come. Look and see how charming is Jesus, see how he smiles, oh see how rosy. Hush, hush, see how the child